Black hole breaks records, devouring a sun's worth of matter daily. A cosmic powerhouse emerges. Quasar breaks records for brightness and luminosity. A team of astronomers, utilizing the European Southern Observatory's ESO Very Large Telescope (VLT), has stumbled upon a celestial giant. They have identified a quasar, not only the brightest of its kind ever observed, but also the most luminous object ever detected in the vast expanse of the universe. Quasars, residing at the cores of distant galaxies and powered by supermassive black holes, are known for their immense energy output. This newfound champion rewrites the record books, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of these cosmic powerhouses. Black hole breaks records, devouring a sun's worth of matter daily. The record-breaking quasar recently discovered isn't just a champion of brightness, it also houses the fastest-growing black hole ever. This insatiable giant consumes a mind-boggling amount of matter, the equivalent of one sun every day. Quasars, powered by supermassive black holes actively gorging on surrounding material, are known for their immense luminosity. The record-breaking brightness of this specific quasar directly reflects the unprecedented feeding frenzy happening at its core. This discovery not only rewrites the record for the brightest quasar, but also unveils the fastest-growing black hole ever detected, offering new insights into these fascinating cosmic phenomena. A record-breaking feast shines brightest in the universe.
Our research has identified the fastest-growing black hole ever documented,
announces Christian Wolf, an astronomer at the Australian National University, ANU, and lead author of a recent study published in Nature Astronomy. This record-breaking monster, with a mass of 17 billion suns, consumes a sun's worth of matter every day, earning its title as the most luminous object known in the universe. The quasar, designated J0529-4351, is located so far away that its light has taken a staggering 12 billion years to reach Earth, offering a window into the universe's distant past. This discovery not only rewrites the record books for black hole growth rates, but also sheds light on the extreme capabilities of these enigmatic cosmic powerhouses. Unveiling the engine of brightness, black hole's accretion disk sets records. The record-breaking black hole doesn't just hold the title for fastest growth, it also boasts the most luminous engine ever observed. As matter gets pulled in, it forms a swirling disk around the black hole, releasing tremendous amounts of energy in the process. This intense activity makes J0529-4351 a staggering 500 trillion times brighter than our Sun.
This extraordinary light originates from a scorching hot accretion disk, a colossal structure, measuring 7 light-years in diameter.
Explains Samuel Lai, PhD student at ANU and co-author of the study. For comparison, 7 light-years is roughly equivalent to 15,000 times the distance between the Sun and Neptune's orbit, showcasing the immense scale of this record-breaking accretion disk. This discovery not only sheds light on the extreme feeding habits of the black hole, but also offers insights into the mechanisms powering the most luminous objects in the universe. A cosmic enigma unveiled, record-breaking quasar hides in plain sight. The record-breaking quasar, J594351, presents a fascinating scientific anomaly. Despite its immense luminosity and record-breaking growth rate, it remained hidden for decades.
It's truly surprising that this behemoth escaped our attention for so long, considering the vast number of less luminous quasars already known.
Observes co-author Christopher Onken, an astronomer at ANU. He adds that J529-4351 was actually present in data from the ESO Schmidt Southern Sky Survey conducted in 1980, but its true nature as a quasar remained unidentified until recent analysis. This discovery underscores the potential for hidden secrets residing within existing data, waiting to be revealed through deeper exploration and advanced analysis methods. This unexpected find not only rewrites the record books for black hole growth and quasar luminosity, but also highlights the ongoing quest to unveil the full scope of the universe's hidden wonders. As we conclude this virtual odyssey, we invite you to like and subscribe to our channel to embark on further cosmic explorations. With every click, you elevate our pursuit of knowledge and contribute to the collective understanding of our universe.